Some years ago, when I was here, 2001, almost every day, Northeast students, got involved into trouble. There was one young, wonderful police officer, Mr. late Tamchon. Almost every night, 24 hours, almost, he used to rescue the Northeast people who are in trouble. I noticed firsthand the kind of, service, protection he gave. He was living here in Kingsway in a small bungalow. He often invited us for dinner. Since the house is small, we used to have dinner in the terrace. Almost every day, together with one colleague from Sikkim. That time, Northeast students in Delhi was about 40,000. By now, it must be 1 lakh. That time, whether it's in Gurgaon or in Delhi, if a Northeast girl wears a mini skirt, she is molested. If we look different, we are harassed. We were harassed. When I heard all these incidents, we realized that Mr. Tamchon had contributed human service to the entire Northeast population in Delhi. Sadly, he died young. So a few of us gathered together. We want to commemorate his service, his contribution to the Northeast people. So we decided to institute Tamchon Northeast Football Trophy. When I was Secretary Northeast India, Northeastern Council in Shillong, I took a decision that Tamchon Football Trophy will be, part of NEC program. We were the title sponsor. Because of COVID and so many other challenges, for the time being, it has not been held for a few years. So we remember with a deep sense of gratitude today, we recall a wonderful officer like Tamchon,